Did you know that the space you work in can affect your productivity positively or negatively? Yes? No? Well, it can. That is why in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create your own home office from scratch and on a very thin budget. And if you already do have an office, these DIYs are going to help you upgrade and revamp your office to make it more beautiful and more conducive for work. Don't move. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Impure and I don't like to waste anybody's time, so let's get into these DIYs. If you're going to be creating an office, you need a desk and a chair, which brings us to our very first DIY, which is revamping our desk. So if you have a desk that is looking a bit old or that you're tired of, or that is just not right for the kind of office you want, you can easily update it by covering the surface with a sticker. I got my sticker for 5 cedis, which is approximately $1, so that's very cheap and is the easiest thing to apply. You basically sandpaper the surface a bit to get rid of dirt or any debris that may be on the desk, and then you go ahead to stick a sticker on the desk and voila, you have yourself a brand new looking desk. Our second DIY is also very easy. I strongly believe that every office should have a board or something that you can stick notes and to-do list on. You can use a magnetic board if you want. You can also use a chalkboard if you want. I feel like chalkboards are a bit messy, so I went for the wire mesh look, which was the easiest thing to do. You would need a wire mesh and some spray paint. If you're a regular on this channel, you know that we have done so much spraying in the past and we've created some of the most beautiful decor pieces with just spray paint. I'm going to link the videos up here so you can check them out if you're up for more home decor DIYs. Now let's get back into this DIY. Once you've got the wire mesh in the size that you want, you go ahead and spray it as many times as possible, making sure that you're getting all the corners and every part of the mesh. Once you're done, you leave it to dry, and that is that. You have yourself a wire mesh board that is going to beautify and upgrade your workspace. Today is 5th November 2020 and it's currently past midnight, and I have drumroll, and I have 921 subscribers on YouTube. Wow, I remember when I had just 0 subscribers. Anyway, I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers, so if you like the video so far, hit the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and your families, and let's get to 1K subscribers. The next step in updating any office space at all is basically spray painting your hardware into a different color. It could be your stapler, it could be your pins, your clippers, any metal at all can be upgraded by just spray painting it into another color. For this one, I decided to spray paint these clips into a beautiful gold color, and it instantly made them look a lot more expensive, and look how beautiful they look. And of course, they work really nicely with my wire mesh. You can use these clips to hold up notes, to-do lists, little decor pieces for your office space. This next DIY is one of my favorites. We are going to be making a plant holder, and not just any regular plant holder, a way more chic plant holder. If you like plants, it would really be amazing to incorporate a few plants into your workspace, as it will bring it to life. For this plant holder, you need a thin wire. You also need a wire cutter. You could use a very good scissors and that will work as well. So first thing we are going to do is we are going to cut the wires into equal lengths. Once we've cut out the 4 wires, we are going to form tiny circles with the wires. So you just join the ends that you cut to form 4 circles. Now that we have 4 circular wires. You're going to tie all 4 together. You're going to open them up like this and you knot them at the bottom. So after you do this, you're going to need a very strong cardboard. I'm going to be using these cardboards that come with picture frames. I'll measure the size of my plant. I'm going to attempt to cut it into a circular form. Okay, maybe not a circle, just cut whatever shape you're comfortable with. I don't know what to call this shape, but it works just fine. Once you cut out the cardboard, you're going to put it into what we just create, and then we would attach a long rope to our globe, and this is what it looks like when it's all done. It's very beautiful, very minimal, and it's a more chic way to display plants in any space at all. It works just fine for an office space, and it can also work for any space. So feel free to steal it for other rooms and spaces. This next DIY is so simple and also one that I like pretty much. So for this DIY, you need a glass sheet. This one came in a picture frame, and then you also need a cardboard and some markers and a ruler. So first thing I'm going to do is we are going to cut out a piece of cardboard to fit the exact shape of our glass. And to do this, you're just going to put the glass on the cardboard and trace out the edges. Once that is done, we are going to divide the cardboard vertically into 7, as there are 7 days in a week, and then we'll also divide the cardboard horizontally to about 5 or 6 spaces. So the vertical lines to take care of the day Sunday through to Saturday, and then the horizontal lines to take care of the dates. We're going to attach the paper cardboard to our glass, and then we can make tiny notes on the glass with marker and wipe it off whenever we need. You can also use sticky notes on this calendar and it works just fine, and it's going to be around all year round. Next tip is to use glassware. So if you use maybe metal or ceramic or any other ware for especially very small spaces, it begins to look like you're cramming too much into the space. But when you use glassware, it's almost like it's there, but it's not there, and it still lets the space shine through. Also, if you're enjoying the video so far, please do give it a thumbs up, and if you like more videos like this, definitely hit the subscribe button, and I will be glad to make more videos like this. Do let me know in the comment section if there's any video that you'd like to see, and I will be glad to film it for you. Now let's get back into the video. My next tip is, instead of putting all your books on your desk, you could find storage for some of your books, put them away on shelves, and just leave a few that you could use for decorative purposes. Yes, the books are going to be helpful when you need them, but they're also going to serve as decor. I'm going to be using 2 books. The first one is from the author of Smart Money Woman, which I talked about in one of my videos on finances. And then the other book is the Bible. And you see that 2 books is not a lot, but then of course it gives it the vibe of a workspace, but then it doesn't cram it or make it look too packed. Then I'm going to take it a step further and put a plant on the books. This particular one is a fake plant that I got for very cheap. I'm also going to be putting my blessings jar right by the plant, and as you can see, it's also glassware and it looks like it's almost not there. Then you can proceed to add a few items here and there to just beautify the space and make it a lot more personal. Then I'm going to introduce a much more bigger plant right by the desk. Also, you can add a few candles here and there when you're working so that it can improve your mood and also improve your productivity. I'm going going to link a video you can check out next, and it is basically how you can transform old bottles that you probably have lying around your house into very beautiful vases. So if you like that, definitely check out the video by clicking on it. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want more videos like this. Also, let me know which of these DIYs or which of these tips is your favorite and which one you are going to be implementing. Share this video if you find it helpful and you think more people should see it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.